In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Lovable dashboard with a full walkthrough. We'll begin by going to Lovable and signing in to your account. Once you're logged in, open the dashboard. This is your main control center, and it's where you'll manage projects, review your workspace, and access the tools available to you. When the dashboard loads, take a moment to look around the main area. You should be able to see your recent projects and a general overview of your workspace. This section helps you quickly pick up where you left off, especially if you're working on multiple apps or ideas at the same time. Next, use the navigation menu to move through the platform. This menu is important because it gives you access to your projects, settings, and other available tools. As you get familiar with the layout, it becomes much easier to move efficiently between different parts of Lovable without losing track of your work. From here, you can either select an existing project or click Create Project to start something new. If you already have a project in progress, opening it will take you directly back into your working environment. If you're starting fresh, creating a new project is the best place to begin. Once inside a project, explore the project editor. This is where you'll manage your app, prompts, and files. Spend a little time getting comfortable with how everything is organized. Understanding the editor layout early on can save time later when your project becomes more detailed. After that, open the project settings. This area allows you to configure integrations, deployment options, and overall preferences. These settings are especially useful when you're preparing your project for testing, connecting external tools, or adjusting how your app behaves. As you work, make sure to save your changes regularly. Even if the platform supports autosaving in some areas, it's still a good habit to save intentionally so your latest updates are secure and easy to track. Whenever you need to switch tasks, return to the dashboard. You can go back at any time to move between projects or create a new one. This makes the dashboard especially useful if you're managing several builds at once. Overall, the Lovable dashboard is designed to help you organize, manage, and monitor all of your projects efficiently. The more comfortable you become with the dashboard, the faster